Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be setting up my February self-love cover letter and my list of 12 self-love ideas. I did this last year in my Instagram stories and gave my followers a prompt every other day during the month of February, and many of them loved it. Along with the prompts, I also showed them in my post, whether it's a video or an image, to give my audience more ideas on how they can go about the prompts as well. I think everyone loved it, so I am going to do it again this year. We are starting off with this video where I will show you how I set up my list in my change journal. I will be reviewing this journal soon. And there may be a surprise with that too, coming up February 5th, so mark that in your calendar. In the midst of our everyday routines and responsibilities, it's easy to overlook the importance of self-care and self-love. However, these practices are fundamental to our overall well-being. Just as we nourish our bodies with food and exercise, we must also nourish our minds and souls. Taking the time to prioritize self-care allows us to recharge, reduce stress, and maintain a healthy balance in our lives. It's a powerful act of self-love, fostering a positive relationship with ourselves and creating a foundation for resilience. By embracing self-care and self-love, we not only enhance our own lives, but also cultivate the strength to navigate the challenges that come our way with grace and authenticity. Remember, investing in yourself is a worthwhile journey toward a happier, more fulfilled life. Therefore, for the month of February, I want to dedicate it fully to self-love and self-care. I hope that throughout this month, if you are watching my content, that it will benefit you also. In addition to my regular YouTube channel and Instagram account, I also started a new one at thepositivethoughts.ca. This is where I am working on a 24 in 2024 Glow Up Challenge. The challenge is to work on 24 areas or method to optimize my life. And I want to dedicate self-love practices as one of the 24 items to work on in 2024. I hope you will follow me on this challenge of practicing some of the self-love prompts I'll be posting on Instagram and YouTube. Please let me know in the comments below what you are doing this month to make it the best month for yourself in 2024. Participating in a self-care challenge or following self-care prompts can offer numerous benefits, fostering a holistic approach to well-being. Some advantages include increased self-awareness, establishing healthy habits, trying something new, improving mental health, increased happiness, enhanced creativity, and so on. Remember, the key is to tailor self-care practices to individual preferences and needs. Everyone's self-care journey is unique, and the benefits may vary from person to person. But I really hope this journey will benefit you, and would love to hear how you find it also. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please consider subscribing, commenting, and liking this video to help support my channel. Thank you, and feel free to check out any of these other videos.